Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, we will be learning how to log in Roblox account. To log in to Roblox account, you have to visit the official website that is roblox.com or download the Roblox application from your Play Store or the App Store depending on the device you are using. After this, tap open your application. Here, tap on sign in. To log into Roblox account, you have to know your username or email or phone number including your password. If you have forgotten your password or username, you can tap on forgot password or username and then enter your required credentials and recover your account successfully. After this, you have to enter your email, phone number or username here. I will be using my email. After this, you have to enter your password right here, but you can log in without using your password as well. By tapping on email me a one-time code, you will get a one-time code sent to your email. You can also tap on quick sign in. Here, you will get two options. Option 1 is that you have to scan the given QR code from your logged in device's camera. On option 2, you will be given a code that you can use to sign in. Here, I will be using my password itself. After this, you have to tap on sign in button and here you go. You have successfully logged in to your Roblox account. Once signed in, you can play games, customize your avatar, create games, join groups, chat with friends, explore events and save progress in Roblox. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys find this tutorial helpful. If yes, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon so you never miss out to our videos. Goodbye till then.